Hey everybody, John Erickson here, located in Los Angeles, California, available for the shoot dates and as a local hire. Mountain biking is my jam. Probably been in over 50 races in my lifetime. Grew up in the East Coast and used to race what we call mountains back there that probably aren't that big. I'm thinking maybe around 1,200 vertical square feet. But they're intense because you're throwing your bike on your shoulder, running across riverbeds, boulders, tree stumps, you name it. The terrain is insane, especially when it's wet and muddy. It's really fun. I've also been biking in the Midwest, Moab, Utah, Slick Rock, where you look over the side and you just pray that you don't fall. Here in California, Los Angeles, biking is super fun. East Side, Griffith Park, Elysian Park, probably more double trek than single trek, but still very, very fun. You can get kind of fast. Up in Santa Barbara's biking's good, and on the west side. So I bike often. I have a road bike, mountain bike, and also like a city bike as well. Love being on two wheels and love pushing the limits, going fast, and of course, being safe. Now you got this. Roll with it. Woo! You got it, man. Back in the saddle. Let's go.